Alright everyone, this is what I got today. I start up my computer today and I got this error message here. It says GDBus.error or .free desktop policy kit like this. So what the solution that I get out of this, by the way, this one is Manjaro KDE, but I use the i3WM. If you are not on Manjaro, is maybe this solution will not work for you. I don't know, but let's have a try. So what I did this to fix it, and its workaround for me was, see that I searched this over the internet and I got this guy is opentexty.com, and I copy this, then I create the script. The script is right here. So I create the script called fixGBusError.sh, and the contents is about this. It's everything you see in this page. So this is the script that I copy from the website, and when I run it, everything is working fine for me now. There's no more error message that show me on the screen at all right now. So the problem of this, I believe, because I have the genome poll kit, I think, I don't know, but you guys can find it out. But this one is work for me. So how do I use it then? It's simply just do like this. I will cd into the script that I just created, which is living in the document. So you see that the script is right here. So what I did was just run sudo and then / and followed by the name of this, and then I hit enter. It's going to prompt for the password, and then I put my passwords in here and then I hit enter. So that will say this is because I already run. So at the first time it showed me a different message, and it's going to show something like this. So anyway, what this script does is it just go to rename this file here, which is already renamed to .old or .org or something. I can't remember my script. Let's see. Oh yeah, is rename this file into .org like this, org original something. Alright, so that, or this script will that, and then after that I just restart it by typing sudo reboot, then hit enter, and everything just working for me fine now. So if this help you, so please share this to your friend or the other people that maybe help the other people too. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.